how to load staples in the DeWALT heavy duty staple gun. Now if you have the 5-in-1, it's exactly the same process. You want to locate this section at the back here of the staple gun, get your finger in, press this down and pull out the mechanism. See that mechanism? You pull that out. Then you want to get your staples. Now if you're not sure what size staples you can use, on both the heavy duty, this one, and the 5-in-1, it'll be listed here what staples or brad nails you can use. So once you've got the correct staples, just slot them in like that, as simple as that. Then press the mechanism all the way in. See, it's got tension now. Then squeeze this down at the back to lock it into position. Now you'll be able to fire a staple with your DeWALT heavy duty staple gun. So that's how easy it is to load staples into your DeWALT staple gun. If you found this video helpful, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.